Hello and welcome to day 8 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we're going to be counting our blessings. If you feel like you have nothing to be grateful for, this tapping is going to get you into that feeling of gratitude, of joy, and all the good things that you deserve to feel this holiday season. All right, so whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the side of the hand. Sometimes I get caught up in what's missing in my life. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Sometimes it's hard to focus on the blessings that I already have. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Even though I may forget to notice the abundance around me, I accept where I am, and I choose to open myself up to appreciation and joy. Is that how you say it? Appreciation? Okay, eyebrow point. I've been focusing on lack. It's easy to get caught up in the struggles and stress. I forget to see the good things in my life. And there are so many good things. Even if I can't really see or feel them right now. Sometimes it feels like nothing is going right. Frustration and worry takes over me. I get stuck in cycles of negativity. I acknowledge these feelings without judgment. They've been blocking my joy. And I release this habit with love. I have so much to be grateful for. I release the stress and overwhelm right now. I'm making room for gratitude in my life. I'm ready to see the beauty, joy, and abundance around me. There's so much to be grateful for in this very moment. I'm grateful for this present moment. For my breath. For the people and pets in my life. I'm choosing to feel gratitude for the little things. The small joys. I'm grateful for all the lessons I've learned this year. I'm grateful for my own growth and healing. All the miracles unfolding in my life every single day. I feel my heart opening up to the energy of gratitude. Gratitude helps me manifest easily. The more grateful I am, the more blessings I receive. I'm grateful for all that I have and all that is coming. I see abundance in every corner of my life. I am radiating gratitude and it feels so good. I am grateful for my beautiful life and everything that is coming my way.